Alright friends, let's go ahead and get started. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I'll put the products down below from Aunt Jackies that I use to wash and condition my hair. But today I'm going to be doing a twist out using only gel, and I'm going to be using my CurlBoss. But as y'all can see, my hair is real ashy, okay, because I need to redo my color. I need to deposit some more of the blue back into my hair to get it back nice and vibrant. It has faded a bit since the last time I've done it. So what I did here was just sectioned off a section of hair, sprayed it down with water, and now I'm applying the gel right here. And I'm just going to rake that gel in really well from roots to tips, okay? And then I'm just going to apply a 2-strand twist. And I'm going to make sure this twist is nicely and tightly coiled. And I'm going to be detangling halfway down just to ensure all of my hair is smooth on that twist, because I want the most defined. I want to see if I can get so much definition with this twist out using only gel. So nothing else is in my hair except for the leave-in conditioner and the gel in water. That's it, you guys. So let's see what happens, because I've never done a twist out like this. I've always used some type of cream or something or the other. So I want it basically hold, and I wanted it to last a couple of days. So I figured I'd use my CurlBoss by Aunt Jackies because it never lets me down. But I'm just continuing these same steps on the remaining sections of my hair. So I'm going to section it off, spritz it with water, detangle, apply the gel, and then apply a 2-strand twist. Making sure that I pay close attention to my ends, okay, because they're color treated. And I want to make sure everything is nice and smooth so that when I go to unravel and take out these twists, it'll be a nice curly situation, okay? So I'm going to continue that on the remaining sections of my hair, and as you can see, I am done, and this is what it looks like. Y'all, my hair is so deceiving because it's like literally I got a little bit of hang time on the top, okay? It has grown out so much, and you know me, I'm debating on if I should cut it or not. But I went ahead and let that dry, and this is what it looks like. Look how juicy those twists look. And you see the body, right? Okay, they just swinging and whatnot. So now I'm just going to unravel these, and I am using Aunt Jackies Soft All Over oil. It's on my fingertips. I didn't show you guys the bottle, but I am using the Soft All Over, and just to prevent any frizz, okay? So this is a gel and oil twist out. Well, really a gel. I'm just using the oil to prevent the frizz, maybe to add a little bit more shine to the finishing product. But check out the definition. The definition is there, honey. The definition is there. You can tell that my twists set overnight and that they, you know, were given the right amount of time to set because of how, look at that definition. Girl, if my hair was a little longer, I would just keep it like this, okay? But right now I'm looking kind of like a tomboy. So I'm going to go ahead and separate it and just get the fullness that I love. But check out from all the way on my tapered sides, like the definition is there. So let's see if we can keep the definition when we separate. So I'm just going to separate again, probably 3 or 4 times each section. I didn't separate too much like I usually do, but I'm just doing 2 or 3 times per section because I want to keep as much of the definition as possible. And I am twirling in the direction that I twisted just to keep the ends nice and curly and to keep that twist formed, you know? So I'm just going to continue to do that. You guys can watch and see how I do this. And of course, you guys, I'm going to take my pick after I am done separating and just raise the roots for a little bit more height and volume. And I really got a light blue, sky blue situation, green situation going on with this hair color. And I need to deposit some more blue on there. But I'm just going to continue picking my hair until I get it to the desired height. But this is pretty much what I've come out with, you guys. Super duper defined, not crunchy, okay? Moisturized, okay, not hard, and no flakes, okay? So I am absolutely in love with this twist out using only gel. And let's see how long it's gonna last me. It's been day 2 and I still have these curls. I mini pineapple at night just to keep it nice and preserved. And I go to bed with a bonnet on in the mini pineapple. So that is pretty much it. That's how I preserve this style. You guys let me know what you think about a twist out using only gel. Do you guys use gel for your twist outs? Let me know. Comment below. Let's talk about it. And check the description box if you want any information on where you can get the CurlBoss for your own twist out. And I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.